Okay, now we have the other, we have four other groups of letters, okay, which are the sin, shin, صاد, ضاد, طا, ظا, and عين and غين. Okay, let's take a look at the first group, which is the sin and the shin. Okay, this here is the sin. If it's the first letter, notice the tail here. It loses this tail, and we go directly to the next letter, which is the ba here. So instead of coming down, instead of coming like this, we just go across in order to write the ba. Okay, this is the sin in the middle between the ba and the lam. Okay, and this is the sin at the end of a word, and notice the tail comes back again. Okay, so sin here in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. The only difference, if it was a shin, we would write it, you would see the dots. For example, if it's in the beginning like this, the three dots. If it's in the middle, okay, the three dots there. And if it's in the end, comes back, and you have the three dots there. Okay, the next group is the sod and the dod. It's very similar to the sin and the shin, where there's this tail, it loses the tail in order to connect and to write the next letters. So here's the sod in the beginning as the first letter. It's connected to the ba. Here is the sod in the middle between the ba and another ba. Okay, and here is the sod at the end, so the tail comes back. Okay, and if it was a dot, you would have a dot here. You would have that dot. Okay, it's very easy. And the next group is ta and dha. Okay, ta in the beginning, connected to the ba. Ta in the middle between the ba and the lam. It's exact same shape, there's no difference. And the ta at the end, okay, it's the exact same shape. So there's no difference in the shape of the ta, whether it's in the beginning or in the middle or in the end. It stays the same. And if it was a dha, you would put this dot there. It would just, the only difference would be the dot. Okay, and the last group here, okay, is the ayn and ghayn. Ayn, ghayn. Okay, this one is a little different here. Okay, so notice the beginning here. Again, this tail, it loses the tail in order to connect it to the ba. So instead of writing it like this, instead of this loop here, we would write just the head of it, and then we connect it to the next letter. Let's say you want to connect it to a lam, just like that. So this part here, you understand, or you know that this is ayn. Okay, now this is the ayn in the middle. So notice there's a little difference here. So here, instead of writing it like this, let's say like this, for example, and you want to connect to a lam, no, we don't write it. That's not correct here. So this little here, it actually becomes like, let's say, like this, and then it comes around to, let's say, lam. Okay, this is in the middle, and this is the ayn at the end. So the tail comes back, but you don't have that loop in the beginning like this here, or like its original form. So this is the ayn in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. And if it was a ghayn, it would just be the dot, like that. And there you have it. Then, okay, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, dha, ayn, and ghayn. See you in the next episode for the next letters.